Well, today's job, we gotta fix this step. There's one piece of it. There's the other piece of it. So we're just gonna patch it up. The first thing we're gonna do is just see where the bad spots are, just like a dentist. Get the bad spots off. And what happened with this is the car hit it. They keep bumping this with the car, and it loosens up. Get the wire brush. Like a dentist, get down in there. See that wire brush? That loosens a lot of stuff up. We're gonna get some water. Wash it all off. Clean it all off with the water. That's what's gonna make it stick. Gotta be, all the dust gotta be off of it. So, now we're gonna get, see, this is one of the pieces. This the other piece. So we know we got a low spot in here. We're going to do the same thing with this. Pick this up, wet it, like that. All right. Same thing with this side. Wet it up, and then mix my cement. Well, I'm using Rapid Set Mortar Mix. Don't need a lot of it. Say about that much. And I'm gonna mix it up. This stuff dries fast. That's what we want. It's gonna rain in about 3 hours. And I want this in within 3 hours. Then just put it in. That's how we're going to do it. Just put it in. It's already wet, so it's got to stick pretty good. That side. good. Now we just get our sponge and water, clean it up. You get a little dirt and you rub it in there. That's going to hide that a little bit. Make that look old. See that? And then just, see, that darkens that up and that hides that. Makes it look old, like we just need to patch it. See what I mean? That's it. Do a little painting under the steps when we get a chance.